Today, we're diving into a super exciting topic, setting up your brand new iPad for the very first time. Whether you're upgrading or just joining the Apple family, we've got you covered, so let's get started. Alright, so you've just unboxed your shiny new iPad. Awesome. Before we dive into the setup, let's quickly review what's in the box. You should have your iPad, a Lightning to USB C cable or USB C to USB C cable, depending on the model, and a power adapter. Got that? Perfect. Let's get started. First things first, let's power on your iPad. Locate the power button on the top or side of your iPad and press and hold it until you see the Apple logo. This means your iPad is starting up. Once your iPad has powered up, you'll be greeted by the hello screen. Swipe up or press the home button to begin. You'll then choose your language and region. Just tap on the language you prefer and select your country or region. Next, you'll need to connect to a Wi-Fi network. Select your network from the list and enter your password. This step is essential for setting up your iPad as it needs an internet connection to continue. After connecting to Wi-Fi, you'll see a data and privacy screen. Read through the information and tap continue. This screen is just for informing you about how Apple handles your data. Now it's time to set up by Face ID or Touch ID depending on your iPad model. Follow the on-screen instructions to scan your face or fingerprint. This will make unlocking your iPad and authorizing purchases super quick and secure. Next, you'll create a passcode. This is an extra layer of security. Enter a 6-digit passcode or choose a custom alphanumeric code if you prefer. Be sure it's something you can remember. Now you have the option to restore your iPad from a backup or set it up as a new. If you're coming from another iOS device, you can restore from iCloud or a previous backup. If this is your first iPad, choose Setup as New iPad. Next, you'll need to sign in with your Apple ID. Enter your email and password associated with your Apple ID. If you don't have an Apple ID, you can create one by following the on-screen instructions. Once signed in, you can set up Siri, Apple's virtual assistant. Follow the prompts to configure Siri and decide if you want to enable features like Apple Pay and iCloud Keychain. Finally, you'll see a summary screen. Tap Get Started and your iPad will be ready to use. Take a moment to explore and customize your new device. And that's it, you're all set up and ready to go.